In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a skill from your LinkedIn profile on mobile. If you've added a skill that no longer fits your experience or you simply want to tidy up your profile, I'll walk you through the exact steps using the LinkedIn mobile app. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone and make sure you're signed in. On the top left corner of your screen, tap your profile icon. This opens your account menu. Then tap your profile icon once more to go directly to your profile page. You should now be looking at your public profile, where all your sections are listed. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Skills. This is where LinkedIn lists the abilities you've added, and in many cases, where you'll see endorsements associated with them. It's helpful to pause here for a second and make sure you know exactly which skill you want to remove, especially if you have similar entries like Project Management and Project Management Agile. To start editing, tap the pencil icon next to the Skills section. This opens the editor where you can manage all of your listed skills. Now find the specific skill you'd like to remove. When you've decided which one to delete, tap the pencil icon next to that individual skill. This brings up the details for that single entry. Scroll down to the bottom of that skills page and tap Delete Skill. LinkedIn will show a confirmation message letting you know that deleting this skill will remove it from all sections of your profile. That includes places where the skill might appear in your headline, your About section, or endorsements. If you're sure you no longer want it on your profile, tap Delete to confirm. Once you confirm, the skill is removed right away. You can scroll back through your profile to double check that it's gone. If you changed your mind later, don't worry. You can always add the skill again in the same skills area. Just remember that removing a skill will also remove any endorsements tied to it. So be confident in your choice before confirming. That's the full process for removing a skill on LinkedIn using the mobile app. Keeping your skills section current helps recruiters and colleagues understand what you truly want to be known for. If you found this helpful, consider liking the video, subscribing for more straightforward how-tos, and turning on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.